Okay guys, so this morning got up super early, try to finish getting something of the roof on before it rains today so I can throw a tarp over this thing. Last night it was late. It was dark. I literally was trying to finish this top plate before it got dark, and I have this really wonky piece of 2x4 right here that I'm trying to put up here. Unfortunately, I didn't have a whole lot of stock to choose from, so I had to take this thing. So you see how it's coming off here? I got like a good ½ inch of overhang right there. You can see on this side how it's coming up shy. Wood bends, so you can kick it over, and it will eventually, if you bend it and then put it in place, it'll eventually just like stress crack and then eventually just stay right put. I don't like using lumber like this. This is why I generally pick my lumber, but I didn't have that luxury because I got a delivery and I didn't have time to get up there, so to the lumber yard. So what you do is you push this over. I'm just pushing it over. I'm leveraging it all the way over like this, where I have leverage on the end, so it lines up over there, so I can put a few nails in, and then I can push this back. Then I can, like, once it's nailed to here, still a little overhang right there, so I can then push it farther. If I had another person, so one person could hold it and then the other person could nail it, but since it's only me right now, what I'm doing is I'm pushing this over, and I'm going to just throw a screw in that I can back out later. That's enough. Cool. So now I can get a few nails in there, and then I can finish it up like I said. And just to explain this right here, why this is cut, this is only like a an 8-inch piece. It's because this piece was this long. Last night when I couldn't see, I just pulled this in tight. I couldn't even see that this was all bowed out. I couldn't get this piece. I tried to pry this, but this wasn't coming up. So instead I just cut it at 8 inches, and I'm gonna just deal with the fact there's a little piece in there.